Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath. And the bathroom is on the place where you can play with your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. You want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.mannysetthemselfonfire.com. And before we get started, guys, I broke this out last night on Super Dale's show. Now, I'm thinking about doing a update to this video. Now, what these are VR goggles. So these are VR goggles, and they have a operation system and battery built into it. So you basically could connect to Wi-Fi, you could watch iptv, you could download apps and everything. And I also flew my Mavic drone using this before. I have a video on that. So I'm thinking about doing an updated video. Is it still worth it in 2018? And this is about 2 or 3 years old, guys. So just want to get that out the way. If you want to see that video, leave a comment below. More comments, then hey, then I do it. If you're a reseller, you got that panel, and so now you can manage all of your clients. That panel is everything. You can cut them on and cut them off strictly through your panel. So congratulations to you for not dragging your feet and jumping right up on it. But if you're still trying to resell internet, I still have those videos showing you where you can go and resell internet. Now basically, guys, I got it in my pocket right here. So this is a MiFi, and this is a Nighthawk M1. I have a method showing you how you can get a hotspot. It's basically like, how can I put this? It's not a monthly subscription for this method right here, but you get a hotspot. It's activated. It's like a membership, but the video breaks it down how you can resell it. Or you can take a SIM card from Visible. Got a video showing you how you can do that, change the APN and all of that, and get it to work in a hotspot that's unlocked. All right, now the Visible method is kind of hit and miss. I'm gonna say like 95% of the time it worked, but there are some people that the method don't work for. That's why you're getting 2 videos. All right, so if you want to be a reseller and you know, hey Tech, man, I missed out on whatever was going on in your life, but I still want to sell this internet to people, hey, go ahead, check out those videos. I'm asking $100 for those videos. And the reason why I'm asking $100 for the videos, you guys already know, whenever I put in the time and effort and work and give you step by step, there's a fee. $100, all the information will be in the description of the video. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe.